All right, day 2 in Dubai. Let's see what the day has in store for us.
You guys call it here petrol?
Had a quick morning breakfast stop and we're off to see a couple shops today. Today is gonna be one of those, woo, wow, look at these videos. I love it. We see like almost the same cars everywhere, but it hits different wherever you go. So right now we are going to Slick Custom Jostle's place. We'll find the name when we get there. This one is gonna be more of a BMW shop, which is really cool.
What's
so
a BMW shop?
Yes, sir.
Sweet. I know nothing about BMWs. Wait, oh.
Austin, cut that out.
Leave it in.
Slick Custom Auto.
Slick Custom Auto.
Jostle's place. As we drive around, we just look out the window. We just see more and more giant buildings, and it just looks, it looks like some type of internet map that someone created to run around in.
That's true, yeah.
I think like, okay, that's all of it, and that's just the smallest of fraction. Like we keep driving, and I'm like, okay, we saw all of it. Nope.
It's fake. Like it's like a mirage, bro. We're in the desert, and the buildings just are so far away. It looks like buildings, you know.
Buildings are so far away. They
I don't know.
just all right. Just endless, dude. It is absolutely endless.
Could read. Look, that's a school bus.
Dude, this makes New York look like a pebble.
Dude, what the fuck, dude? This is crazy.
We casual M5.
That's so nutty.
Oh, are we here?
Oh, we're here. We are officially here. See, this is the most Dubai looking thing I've ever seen. Dusty ass.
Dude, I wonder if it's for sale.
You gonna bag it on some BBS?
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Is this thing for sale?
Hey boss, how are you?
Let's show them the dirty shop.
Yes, I love it. The dirty side.
First opinions on this.
There's some cool flavors here. Dakar E36. It's a little beat up, but it looks like it's originally Dakar. That's pretty cool. Rare color. Yellow's the best. Anything under? S54, even better. Dakar yellow E36 with S54. That's the recipe. This is wild. Yeah, it's a pretty cool color. M3 convert? It's pretty cool. The land yacht?
The land yacht.
This is the biggest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god.
Bro, look at this. By the time you get to here, the video's ending, bro. I think this is the longest car I've ever seen in my life.
This is the clean side. That's the work side. This is the clean side.
Oh, there's a clean side?
You see a bunch of 46s in here.
Thanks, sir.
How are you? Wow, there's some
The lighting. Thank you.
Oh my god, there's more Jimmy. Wow, oh my.
I love this.
Look at the color on this
Oh
E30.
my.
What color is this? I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's blue. It looks almost like silver on.
Oh, this color is green.
Just green. What is this color?
Jostle.
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 What color is that?
It's greenish, silver.
Is it a factory color?
We need it.
That's not a factory color.
No, it's not the factory
Okay, I was
color.
gonna
It's
say,
a
yeah.
custom color.
It looks. Look how beautiful this car is. There's all these other cars that I'm just like.
This is it.
Usually I'm not a fan of 34 sedans, but this one goes pretty crazy.
I was running it.
Good taste. Good taste.
And the clown shoe.
Austin, as you watch this,
thing.
there you go. Austin, Austin is obsessed with clown shoes. And it's cool to see a red one. I feel like you don't see red very often. It's like the most like ugly cute car ever.
It's so cute.
Like this part looks so cool, and in the front, like Yes, very cool car. Very, very. I appreciate the clown shoe. The two wings on it. Yeah, that goes pretty crazy. Austin, eat your heart out, brother.
Everyone with these lights too.
Yeah, this is like
This is the new thing.
yeah. Every shop we've gone to out of America has had these lights. They're cheap too. They just make you look really fancy.
I love the clown shoe. Clown shoe!
Oh shit! Your content, buddy.
Yep, I'm stealing your content, buddy. Comments I want to add before we leave is one, R34 sedans. I'm trying to love them. I really am. This one, it's helping the case. So what really does it is the OEM aero, right? So the OEM rear lip and the side skirts. It makes the car look so much lower, which is good because usually these things look way too skinny for how long they are, and it's just not a good combo. Obviously the Eclipse being slammed and looking juicy helps a lot, but just see, look at it and it looks balanced now with the kit. No kit, very skinny. I'm starting to like them. I think the more I'll see them, the more I like them. Another cool thing I have to show is I really love the seats that are in this M3 right here. There we go. The Recaros in this thing are absolutely beautiful. I think it's so hard to pull off aftermarket seats in modern cars, and this looks like it was OEM. They even retrofitted the OEM controls and everything, so you could never tell. It just looks like a special package seat for the car. Honestly, if you know, that's a big flex, so you killed it.
Okay, boys, enjoy your picture show.
Can't take it home, Blaine.
Oh, I just like that. I'll let you down.
As we were leaving Canton Performance, we learned about this special yard that it isn't a junkyard, but what it is a yard full of cars that can't be registered in Dubai. They're imported cars. I don't know the actual technical terms to it, but I guess you could, if you dig around, you could find some cool stuff in there. And we were told that it's worth checking out, so we're gonna head there now and see if we can find some cool stuff in the lot that is, I mean, we could buy it as long as it's 25 years old.
Oh, is that what we're doing? Oh, great. Good thing I brought my wallet.
You see all the cars just lined up. So there's a lot of cars, so we had to kind of drive around and see if we could find some of the cool stuff, because it's just, I mean, it's everything.
Yeah. He said this is where the abandoned cars go to. Bugatti. K-swap. Ooh. is that thing, Jimmy?
So random. Look at this, such a random collection of cars. What the hell? And it's like kind of what we were told. There's a lot of random stuff that if you look around, every once in a while you'll find a gem. There's a lot of new cars though, a lot of new cars. This is probably one of the largest auto yards I've ever seen. We've been driving for like 10 minutes. It feels like. Anything good in
I
there?
swear it started a mile ago.
We'll find something cool. Talking about,
The tractor?
what a unit. So I guess this area used to be littered with old Japanese cars. And of course, unless they were either 30 years or older or left-hand drive converted, you couldn't register them. So there was quite a lot of things to pick from, but it looks like over the last couple of years, it has really just switched to more modern cars, which makes sense because they probably make a lot more money. So like modern cars and old Japanese cars, they can't even register. It is just endless used car lots everywhere. Oh my God, where are we? Oh, there's a Crown? Is it really a Crown?
Right there.
Oh yes, new Crowns. See, we're getting to the right area.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
right
there's a
here.
110.
Right
Yeah, there's a
here.
110 here. Pull over right here.
Right here.
Yeah, pull over. Yes, look at the Crowns. Look at them. This one's slammed too. That's cool. That is sick.
So what do people do with this car? What
I don't
is
know.
The vibe?
Good question. Oh, in terms of like, I don't know what they do with them here because it's too new
But
to
like,
register
you
without
say
stuff.
a Crown, like what's
What
the-
Crowns are just dope looking. They're just Toyota sedans. More Crowns. Crown, Crown, Crown. I love that. There's so many of them. The Toyota Crowns. Now I'm confused because obviously they're too new for them to register without left-hand drive swapping them, but are they actually gonna left-hand drive swap these Crowns? Who knows? There's a bunch of them.
Crown's over here.
Dude, if you want to know where every Toyota Crown went from in Japan, it's just right here.
Fukushima Motors.
Fukushima Motors. Crown, 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 Crown. We are in a sea of I keep turning the camera off and there's just more.
Anyone drift this?
Well, so they all came, I don't think they made a manual Crown. I think they're all auto. It's the only downfall. But they are rear-wheel drive, so, and it is Toyota, so it's a great car. Honestly, these things are just great daily drivers. Just fantastic.
Yeah, dude. I'm like hoping to find like a gem right in between.
Yeah. Because these are unfortunately too new for us to actually import to. I don't know. This is just wild, right? Because we walk through here and you see this back lot and look at it. Those are all Crowns. That's wild. I mean, Toyota Crowns are sick, right? They look good. They probably never break, it's Toyota. And they're actually a really nice driver car. But what's the point of these newer JDM imports? What do they do with them?
They're usually coming here, so the importers will buy them, bring them here, and then sell them elsewhere.
Just
So
to
they're
other,
bringing them
like
from
to
the-
other countries?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They're too new to
Register here.
here without
Yeah.
left-hand drive swapping.
Yeah,
There's a lot.
I know.
Because they probably got the Crown. They probably got them for nothing in Japan, and yep, they're all here. Okay, I know it's not, you know, a Bugatti or a Lamborghini or something like that, but it's still cool. Toyota Crowns are sick, and there's a lot of them here. That's what we get excited about. I'm sorry, but there's more Crowns. This is wild. All the Land Cruiser trucks are really freaking cool though. Like this is the quintessential Middle Eastern vehicle. Like when you know, like going like through the dunes and stuff with them lifted and everything. That'd be fun to import. Still pretty expensive though. Yep.
Yeah, get hit by a car.
Anything cool in here? Just all K vehicles.
You want a Japanese dump truck?
I thought that was your nickname in high school.
That was.
Look at these things. These are super cool. The Land Cruiser, like imagine this thing in America. It would stick out so hard. Haha, this looks familiar. Here's a 110. Just like mine. Yep, just like mine. That's super cool. Another one shoved in the cut. Yeah, these things are quite popular here. Very, very popular here.
Freaking dust.
Mine's a little bit cooler though.
Yours is very pretty. But it has potential though.
Yeah, it's
Like
good.
someone could make this very nice.
Yeah,
you know?
Vertex kit, wheels, done. That's
All
it.
you need.
Yeah, they're endless. There's 110s literally everywhere. These things are probably dirt cheap in Japan, or at least were.
I thought Crowns were cool until today. Look, it's Crown.
Dude, this
Crown.
whole row I think like it's so funny. Everyone, you know, when you think of Dubai, you just think of supercars. Nope.
It's crowns.
Bunch of 110s. I love it. Look at that. I love the ones that are still like casually slammed in on wheels. Look at that thing. Little LS 400. Yeah, it's pretty. I don't know how he got it up there, but 46. 328 with a monster sticker. Huh? Can't escape that. Can't escape that anywhere. What do we got? Ooh, look at this. We finally get some old Japanese cars. Little 32 four-door, non-turbo. Okay. I swear we're not just doing circles.
Yeah, no, we're not.
It's just all Toyotas.
Miles of crowns.
Ooh, a 350Z. Okay, right hand. That's cool. I think that's a European one. It's weird. You know, guys, I really did try. We were hoping we were gonna come here and title the video like, "We find abandoned old JDM cars," and
We did. Abandoned crowns.
abandoned crowns. Yeah. All right. Well, Randy, come to Dubai. All you get is
Crowns.
crowns for as long as the eye could see.
I'm over crowns. I never want to see another one.
Man, I can't wait to go to Ford and pick up my 110 now. We stopped just 'cause I wanted to see what the hell this thing was. So it's a Toyota. No, Toyopet. What is this thing?
This is a Whoville car.
A what?
A Whoville.
A Whoville.
Yeah.
Yes. What is this thing? Well, someone will let me know in the comments, but it's pretty freaking cool. I'm hanging out this van trying to find something cool, but looks like we had no luck. Just a bunch of, well, Toyota Crowns. Just
Jimmy.
Say it again.
Crown.
oh, you. There's a lot of cool Land Cruisers too, which I would love to snag one, but well, we didn't get lucky this time. There's definitely some hidden lots somewhere. We just got to go to somewhere that's not as nice. Yeah. Let's get back to the hotel.
Is that where we're going?
I think so. All right, so today we ran around. We saw a couple cool cars, stopped at some cool shops. We hunted for some JDM cars, but all we could find, I guess we did find JDM cars, but it was only Toyota Crowns everywhere. This was our like chill day to kind of relax, and then tomorrow is the Offset car show. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a bunch of awesome cars. It's gonna be graffiti artists, music, it's a whole festival, so it's gonna be pretty badass. And then Sunday is a drift competition, or like it's a grassroots low power thing. It should be fun. It should be a blast. We'll call it an event. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's footage of me rambling on, not knowing what to say. And for now, we're gonna go check out the cars rolling in tonight for the show and go from there. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.